Q. What is UiPath Action Center? UiPath Action Center is a product offered by UiPath that serves as a centralized hub for managing, prioritizing, and executing tasks within automation processes. It provides a user-friendly interface for users to view and take action on tasks that require human intervention or decision-making. Q. Where do we use UiPath Action Center? UiPath Action Center is used in automation projects where human input or decision-making is required at certain points in the process. It is particularly useful for scenarios where automated processes encounter exceptions, validation steps, or tasks that cannot be fully automated. Action Center allows users to review, approve, reject, or provide input for such tasks in a controlled and auditable manner. Q. How does UiPath Action Center work? UiPath Action Center integrates with UiPath Orchestrator, which manages the execution of automation processes. When an automated process encounters a task that requires human intervention, it is routed to Action Center for review. Users can access Action Center's web-based interface to view the task details, perform necessary actions, and provide input or decisions. Once the task is processed in Action Center, the automation process can continue based on the user's action. Q. What are the benefits of using UiPath Action Center? UiPath Action Center offers several benefits. It improves the efficiency and accuracy of automation processes by allowing users to handle exceptions or decision points within the workflow. Action Center provides a centralized platform for managing tasks, enabling users to prioritize, delegate, or collaborate on tasks as needed. It also offers auditability, tracking, and reporting features, ensuring compliance and transparency in task handling. Q. Can UiPath Action Center be integrated with other UiPath products? Yes, UiPath Action Center seamlessly integrates with other UiPath products, such as UiPath Studio and UiPath Orchestrator. Automation workflows created in UiPath Studio can include triggers to send tasks to Action Center when human intervention is required. Orchestrator manages the interaction between automation processes and Action Center, ensuring the smooth flow of tasks and providing monitoring and reporting capabilities. Q. Is UiPath Action Center suitable for both small-scale and large-scale automation projects? Yes, UiPath Action Center is suitable for both small-scale and large-scale automation projects. It offers flexibility and scalability to handle varying task volumes and complexity. Whether it's a simple automation process with a few exception points or a complex enterprise-level automation initiative, Action Center provides the necessary features to manage and process tasks that require human intervention.